I think this is done, but they still look so good, so probably leave them for maybe another week and then I'll pull them out. But I'll be harvesting some seeds. Yeah. Okay. So this is my cut flower bed this year. It doesn't really look so good. Not too many flowers there to cut. It's because we had a very wet spring and wet summer, and there was a massive problem with the slugs. And every time the dahlias started sprouting, they were attacked and eaten by the slugs. So no dahlias this year. I also started the zinnias earlier there, but they love the zinnias too. I have green envy zinnias that are finally putting out flowers. These are the ones that I started the second time and kept in pots so that I will have zinnias in summer. But of course they're late now. I'm still hoping that we'll have a longer summer this year so I can still enjoy a lot of blooms from the zinnias. I have 2 pots that I positioned here in the cut flower bed because I bought 2 salvias that cannot overwinter outside. So I just put them in pots and it's easier for me to carry them inside when it starts getting colder. Plus, I'm afraid that the slugs might eat them. So this way I can control them better. I also dug out a thistle that I planted in spring and put it in a pot because as you can see it looks terrible and they don't like wet feet. So I dug it out, put it in this pot, and still hoping that it can recover. It only has 1 flower and it looks really bad. So that's it. It's a very short video. I just want to show you the cut flower bed that doesn't have too many flowers to cut. It's just the way it is. Hopefully next year will be different, and I'll have dahlias here again and a lot of other flowering plants that didn't survive because of the slugs.